Hi everyone, in this video I decided to use the Gelous nail base, which is meant to make your nail polish behave a bit more like a gel polish. So I started off by putting on a thin layer as a base coat, and then I waited 2 minutes, and then I went in with my coloured nail polish. And then a second coat of the Gelous nail gel. I tried to put this on really thinly so it would dry. And then after waiting 2 minutes, I put a second coat of the coloured nail polish, which created a much better opacity. And then with my little nail striper polishes in silver, orange and yellow, I did some little streaks down the bottom of my nail to create a nice waterfall-like design. I really like the way this turned out. If I did it again, I might have probably chosen pink instead of orange. And then I went in with my fast drying top coat, Shesh. I hope you enjoyed watching. As it turns out, the Gelous coat, it just made it more shiny. I wouldn't say it stopped it chipping any more quickly for me personally, but thanks for watching. Bye.